and welcome to this ITM Platform presentation. ITM Platform is a project and program management solution that is designed to align projects to your company's strategy. Thanks to its pre-configured system, ITM Platform can be set up and deployed in under 2 weeks, allowing your team to start working fast. All users will be assigned a specific role which will determine the features they are able to access. All users, regardless of role, will start with the screen My Desktop. In My Desktop, I will see My Assignments, and then to the right, all of the recent conversations. I can also see the projects that I'm involved in, the services, the tasks and activities that are assigned to me, my timesheet to report time, and my authorizations if I'm responsible to provide them for project management. In the Management area, we have a main dashboard that will display a variety of information regarding my projects and programs. I also have access to additional dashboards. I have a view of both my business and internal clients, workforce, project portfolio, the dashboard for specific projects, and finally providers. Next we have portfolio. First I start with the selection to show projects. Once selected, I can see financial analysis by either costs or revenue, the schedule for all those selected projects, progress, and a dashboard based on my selection. We have programs. The program will give me the ability to create a connection between goals and programs, and therefore projects. I can see the budget and control it, comparing it against the project's budget. I can select which components are part of this program, and then I can create strategic alignments that will allow me to analyze the business value of this project by the objectives or goals. I can then view the business value per project, and then conduct an analysis trying to optimize my budget. ITM Platform supports 2 different methodologies for project management: Agile and Waterfall. For a Waterfall project or Classic project, I have a General tab, a tab to create teams that will allow me to select their function inside a project and by tasks as well. I have the Budget tab that will show me the top-down budget that I can create here, the estimated or bottom-up budget, actual values when my project is under execution, and the last period end close values. I can control the scheduling of my project through a Gantt. So I have the Tasks tab where I can see internals for my tasks. At the project level, I can detail my budget through purchases, first with budget accounts and then entering details for each purchase. Purchases are controlled through statuses. Revenue works in a similar way. If enabled, ITM Platform can also calculate the revenue recognition across the project lifecycle. I can see and control and compare risks. I can also enter issues. The Progress area will show me the current progress for my project, both the actual completed and expected. I can see the history of changes. And I have a chart that shows me the same thing. If I need an in-depth analysis of the status of my project, I can also use the Earned Value metrics. Last, we have a Documents area where we can upload or simply link documents to my project. And we also have a Dashboard area. Agile projects will work in a similar way. The difference in this case is that instead of having a Gantt area, I have a board. And the board can be very simple or complex, thanks to the flexibility inside ITM Platform, where I can handle columns, subcolumns, and swim lanes. The progress will also change to reflect this Agile mode. I can then see counts, the burn down, or a cumulative flowchart. If required, I can enable sprints. I have a new tab that will allow me to create sprints. I can configure them from the tasks. I can assign them to a specific sprint, and in the board, I will be able to navigate through sprints. Services are lists of activities. These services do not require the complexity of a Gantt or a board, but I can still create a team, calculate the budget, and create activities as needed. I can assign purchases, revenue, related documents, and I even have a dashboard area for my service. Projects and services can be related to clients. In terms of resources, I have an area to handle and analyze that as well. I can select the time frame that I would like to see. Then I can analyze demand. Below, I can see the resources availability. And I can identify over allocations as well. The budget area will summarize everything coming from projects and services. ITM Platform also provides me with a feature for running internal reports. Reports are based on tables, and the tables are interactive. I can choose groupings, I can see them in full page, or I can export them to Excel for further analysis. If more analysis is required, we can also connect ITM Platform to tools like Excel and Power BI. Last, we're going to show you that ITM Platform is very easily customized. We can create our own parameters for projects, services, tasks, and more. And if I need to integrate it to all the systems, that is possible through custom extensions that can be created by the end user. If you need to know more about ITM Platform, you can access our resources page or visit our Help Center. And to learn how to use extensions or develop your own reports through the API, you can visit developers.itmplatform.com. Finally, ITM Platform offers you information about the adoption journey and extra optional services to help you get the most out of your ITM Platform-based solution.